guys, this is MLO, and we are starting a series 6 under 6. So we're doing 6 different centerpieces under 6 minutes. So if you guys want to stay tuned to the series, keep on watching. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at MLOccasions. Also check out our website at www.mylittleoccasion.com. Hey guys, so we're going to be using 5 items for this first centerpiece. She's going to use water, matches, a square centerpiece, floating candles, and artificial flower leaves. I will link everything that we used in the description box below. Okay, so first Ty's going to take the flowers and she's going to place them inside the vase. You can arrange these flowers any type of way that you want. You can use less or more depending on how full you want the centerpiece, but you have to take into consideration you don't want the centerpiece overly full so that your candle does not sit well in the flowers. So for the next step, she's going to take some water and fill up the vase just a little slightly below the rim. Not too much water to where that the candle won't float, but not too little that the centerpiece looks empty. Okay, so the next step, she's going to take the candle and she's going to place it inside. Notice that the wick is already up. And she's going to go ahead and light the match. And there you have it, a simple centerpiece that you can use down the middle of a long rectangular table, on a cocktail table, even round tables if you put it together with more centerpieces. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hey, I can actually do these down my table.